Okay, I have another test setup of Yuken KDRDE5K valve. Okay, in this setup I have used voltage injector, one PWM driver. This is plain PWM driver, not the last one like a pure analog or pure analog current control. It's actually a fixed current. It's varies due to the PWM cycle, nothing else. Okay, it's not the that much critical driver. It's normal basic PWM driver. Okay, so I hooked up this PWM driver with this valve, and this particular driver requires dual power supply. Okay, so I have dual power supply. Here is a 12 volt power supply, and I'm feeding 24 volt from this for this voltage injector and for the solenoid. Okay, so let's map out the connectors here. This V in is coming from the voltage injector. Ground and 12 volt must be connected with the 12 volt power supply. Okay, and here the power plus and power minus is 24 volt plus and 24 volt minus. Solenoid plus and solenoid minus is obviously for the solenoid. Solenoid doesn't have actually any polarity. Okay, anyway, but make sure as you are using dual power supply that this ground part, this GND part, and this power minus, okay, must be shorted. Okay, here actually I'm shorted through here, actually this part, this 0 volt. Okay, so I don't need to short it from that part. So you must short this to ground, otherwise it will not work. Okay, both the device required same ground. Okay, so now this is I have hooked up the output channel with the oscilloscope to verify the PWM. Let's see, I'm increasing the voltage. Okay, increasing the voltage. After few voltage, see, we can see the PWM output, right? Okay, the PWM frequency is around 111 hertz. Okay, the RMS is around 5 volt, 5 or 6 volt, and the peak to peak is 25 volt. That means around 13 volt we are expecting, 12 to 13 volt we are expecting at the 100% duty cycle, or near 100% duty cycle. Okay, so right now the duty cycle is negative 94. That is minus duty cycle is negative 94. The positive is 100 minus 92 or 90, whatever. So due to this PWM frequency, this kind of valve started humming. Okay, actually in dry condition we can test with the humming noise. It's actually better for testing because it actually smoothen the this valve movement. Okay, so I'm increasing the voltage. After few volts it will start humming. You can hear the noise. Can you hear the noise? Okay, now it's actually vibrating. Okay, it is coming out like that. Yeah, it's full out. Okay, now if I go down, it is going down. So our test circuit is absolutely working well. Okay, make sure if you are using this kind of injector, set the injector in MV mode, that is a millivolt mode. Okay, so that's it. You can see the voltage going up when the PWM is going higher. Okay, so right now the PWM has been see, the duty cycle minus is 42, means 100 minus 42, like that. The positive duty cycle is already fixed this position by the OEM. Okay, maybe they knows the requirement is that much only. If you want to increase this duty cycle, you need to adjust this to potentiometer. Okay, so you can calibrate the undershoot or overshoot, or the initial start, or the last or the final start. Okay, final end. So by this you can use that one. Okay, so like this If I go down, PWM cycle goes down. Okay, it is humming. It is actually, we can see the humming is vibrating, right? Okay, that's it.